Hey, what's up guys? So Amazfit has updated Bip 6 and it has resolved one of the major pain points for a lot of people, and I will talk about this feature, but there are also some other feature updates in this update, and I'm going to talk about them as well. First of all, let me show you the update version. So if we go in settings, go in system, go in about, this is the software version that you should have, 3.1.2.1, and if you have this software version you should have these features as well. Let's talk about them. The first thing that I want to talk about is that the watch will now adjust the brightness of always on display when it's under bright light or bright sunlight. So let's try this feature out. I think this is an automatic update because I have been looking in the settings and it doesn't show up as a feature, so I think it's a background feature and it will happen automatically. And since I think that this is an automatic feature, I'm just gonna go in brightness and turn on auto brightness. So now when we'll launch always on display, so here you can see it's very subtle, but since the watch is under direct light and it's a bright light, the always on display has increased in brightness. So now you will see it more properly. There you go, it has dimmed down and now it will become brighter. There you go. So that's the first feature. The always on display will change its brightness when it's under bright light or sunlight, which is great. Another feature that they have added in this update is that now when always on display is turned on and you receive a notification, you will see a status indicator on always on display. And this feature you can actually turn on. So go in settings, go in display, go in always on display, and you will scroll down and you will see this feature, status indicator. Turn this on, and even when always on display is on and you have a notification pending, you will see that status indicator. Next, Amazfit has also included the glove mode in this update, which means in the winters if you're wearing gloves you can still use this watch or the display. And this feature once again comes with an active setting. So go in settings, go in preferences, go all the way down, and here you will see this feature, glove mode. Go in here and enable this. You can also read about it. After turning on glove mode, the device's touch screen will be more sensitive to ensure that gloves with a thickness of less than 2 mm can use the touch screen normally. And now let's talk about the last feature in this update. That was a pain point for a lot of people, but Amazfit has resolved it, which was basically that you cannot tap the display to turn it on. So if I tap on the display, it does not turn it on. But now Amazfit has fixed it. And you can go in settings, go in display, and now you get this setting. Tap to wake. You can select single tap or double tap. But when you'll select that or tap on it, it will give you a battery life warning saying that this feature will use more battery. So let's go with single tap here and go back. And you can tap on the display to turn it on now, which is great. So that's the feature that a lot of people were missing out on, but Amazfit has fixed it. So kudos to Amazfit, and that's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.